Hello, good afternoon. My name is Helmut Tschemernjak and I like to welcome you to watch me with my little video unpacking the Microsoft Surface. It's a quick video. I do this from my, let's see if it works. Yep, it looks like I do this with my camcorder so that everybody can watch me, and it's just a quick and dirty video which I like to make available later on my Google Plus page. So the Surface arrived today at home. Yes, it is available in Germany. I can prove this by showing you the receipt. Here is what we got, the Surface machine. And so back to our video. I tried to order it at a distribution partner, and let's start unpacking it a little bit. So this is how the box looks like. So very nice. Looks like it is a value product. So let's check this here. Here it says Windows RT, which stays for the special Windows version running with the ARM processor. More later on. So I tried to buy it at a distributor called Computer 2000, or actually Tech Data, but they don't have this. Then I tried to look into several markets, IT markets, and there's a special one called Media Market, a large consumer retail store here, downtown Hanover. Again, no luck. They carry Windows 8, but they don't carry the Microsoft Surface. So they carry, I think, from ASUS or other brands, Windows 8-based tablets, but not the Surface. So then finally I decided to order it via the Microsoft online store. This was working. I was a little bit surprised that the machine arrived today, because I have not received any order confirmation by email or any estimate shipping date. So I completed everything. It works. So now let's unpack it, what we have. There's a, let's see how we get this out here. Okay, we have to lift this here, and yeah. So what you see now is the keyboard. This is a frame, but just a paper frame. This is the Microsoft touch keyboard, so it has no real keys, just a touch. But yeah, let's look to this in a minute. Then I have a second keyboard. This is this one here. I received this keyboard a couple of days ago. It's called Microsoft Type Cover. So it's basically pretty much the same. I like to zoom in that you can see it. But here, these are real keys where you can type and you feel the point when you pressure. And it's when I check this here, this is the trackpad, which looks easy to use. It also feels good. And this keyboard has no touch points. Let's say it's hard to believe that this works. So I'm happy that I bought the extra keyboard, and also the surface here feels a little bit ugly. I just need to check what to say for it. It's not feeling good. The type cover, the real keyboard, feels much better. Also the trackpad looks to me that it's a real trackpad. So I can tell you up front that I'm more happy with this one. So now let's continue to unpack the Surface. Here is, oops, my box. Let's open it. Oops. Here we go. Okay, so here we have the box, which there's a power adapter included. So I put this in here. That's the German power adapter. The power supply, when you ask me, I think it's a little bit bulky, but that's the way it is. And the surface machine wrapped into some plastic. So let's unpack it. I get this out. So that's our machine, and there's a little readme, and yeah, it's a nice packaging. And just to have it complete, I add the keyboard and one more. So that's this box here. It's a VGA adapter cable. So this I purchased extra. So the that's the built-in keyboard, and the video cable. I think it's a little bit bulky, but that's the way it is. So now let's see. This is the stuff. This is extra. I remove this keyboard and switch right away to the better keyboard and connect the surface. So this works pretty good. I can open here at the back it a kind of arm, and now it holds this device. And let's see how it works. I can turn it on. Whoop. So now we have the trackpad.
Make your computer easier to use. Windows will read and scan this list automatically. Press the space bar to select the highlighted option.
So I think it will be difficult to get
Magnifier. Make items on the screen.
To get the screen. What it's basically saying here, I can wait a second, make it a little bit larger. I can set up the device, and I will do the setup later on. I will write an article later on. So you have seen how the machine looks like. My personal opinion is it feels nice. It has a nice large screen. Also the keyboard, which can be folded. So now it's like a thin, very thin and light notebook. I don't think that it's much heavier compared to the iPad. Opening it, but having it in front of you means it's a real PC feeling. You have a keyboard. Of course, this is also a touch screen that you can use this. So for consumers, where they like to watch videos, do email, maybe do some video conferencing, surface the web, write a little bit, write some letters and stuff like this. Basically internet work and homework with productivity applications. I think this machine is good enough to do this. And it's a full-fledged Windows 8 machine, so there's a Microsoft Office Home included, which means productivity apps are included. That's nice for users, not so good for competitors or other solution vendors, because Microsoft pushes everybody to use the Microsoft products, as we know this for decades. So my plan is to play a little bit around with the Surface and to get used to it, and finally to find out if customers are willing to buy it, because if they like this device in business environments, we need to consider what kind of Helios products or products in general are of interest for this kind of device. I will write a complete article about my experience with this device. So watch my Google Plus page to see this later on. So that's finally my unpacking video. Thank you for watching and have a good weekend. Bye bye.